Shemai, hello, and Crystal. Welcome to Cardiff University's resource on academic integrity. In this resource, you'll find out about the importance of academic integrity to you and your studies, and learn some essential study skills to help you with your course. As a Cardiff student, you are a member of an academic community that is striving to search for new knowledge and share that knowledge with others. In this community, we all must be able to trust and rely on each other's integrity. Research staff must ensure that their research is conducted ethically, is transparent and based on solid evidence. Teaching staff strive for excellence in their courses and degree programmes and support students in their learning with clear guidelines and constructive feedback. And as a student, you are entering an academic conversation. In your learning and your coursework, you are engaging with previous research in your field and are contributing to that conversation with your participation in class, your essays, reports, presentations, dissertations and theses. And throughout, you are expected to do this work with integrity. All of your coursework submissions should be your own work, avoiding things like plagiarism, the use of essay mills, and other forms of academic misconduct.
Felly, angen a'n myfyrwyr, mae angen I ni fod yn gyfrifol am ein hastudiaethau a gweithio gyda goneustrwydd. Ond pan bod hyn o bwys? Wel, os ydych chi'n llenradau, neu'n gael rhywun arall I wneud y gwaith I chi, yna mae hynny'n annig I fyfyrwyr eraill sy'n rhoi'r ymdrech I mewn. Mae golygu nad oes chwarae teg I bawb. Yn ail, nid yw'n eich helpu I dysgu oherwydd nad ydych wir yn ymgysylltu a deunydd y cwrs, ond hynny'n golygu nad ydych chi'n datblygu sgiliau beirniadol, daransoddol a sgiliau amrysiadol eraill. Ac nid ydych chi'n rhoi cyfle i'ch darlithrwyr, rhoi adborth perthnasol I chi i'ch helpu chi I wella ar gyfer asesiadau yn y dyfodol yn ogystal ag ar gyfer eich gwrtha ar ôl I chi radio. Ac yn olaf, mae gwybod eich bod chi wedi gwneud yr holl waith eich hun gyda goneustrwydd academaidd yn golygu y gallech chi bod yn falch o'ch cyflawniadau a teimlo eich bod chi wir wedi ennill eich cyflawniad.
So, take the time to complete this resource to learn the knowledge and skills you need to work with academic integrity, so we can all work together as well as possible and you can get the best experience from your studies at Cardiff. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn.